Today I'll make fusion Bloody Mary. How to make fusion Bloody Mary? I'll show all recipe. This is the I use a fresh tomato. Basically, Bloody Mary use for tomato juice. I use a fresh tomato. And some red jalapeno. I use red jalapeno. See, some jalapeno brine. Blend it first. Blend it. Fresh coriander. Model it. Nice model. This tomato juice and jalapeno. $30 ml lime juice. Drop of WC sauce. Tobasco are optional. 60 ml vodka. And shake nicely. Chili and salt rim glass. 2 cube ice. Garnish. This is whole coriander leaves. Magic masala. This is homemade magic masala. This